Hi everyone, this is the last session, and I'll be showing you how to add forms and social media, and as well as adding a blog page. And then I'll be showing you how to buy a domain from GoDaddy or any other domain websites, and then connect them to your Wix website. So let's go ahead. Okay, so we'll be sharing our screen. Then we're going to head to design site. It is very simple how to add a form, and there's also a benefit of Wix and forms that whenever at the end of the month you get a spreadsheet of all the forms and what all each option was selected as for and everything of that sort. So it is very good if you guys want to have a business and you want for to keep a track record of what people have said and what they want and stuff like that. So let's go to the end. I'll just add a contact. I think maybe there's a contact us page already here. Then I'll see. So here I'll be adding a form and I'll show you how to add a form as well. See, add a form. So choose form. I'll be doing a choose form here. Otherwise, let's add from the elements only. It will be much easier for you guys to understand. You can create form. Drag and drop. Let's say I want the first name. So we'll add the first name. Then I want the email address. Maybe I want last name as well. So it goes above the email. Then let's say I want to add phone number and maybe something general that I want a short answer, long answer, number for signature, single choice options, multiple choice. So whenever you create a Google form, it has the same format and you can do everything that you can do in Google Forms. And then you can text, italic, heading, and button, submit. Button we already have here. Scheduling and services, payments, and dates, choices like specific date and time, or birthday, date of birth, and then address. So anything I want, I can curate that form accordingly. So yeah, now this form is visible here, and as well as there must be an option to add form elements as well. So this is some pre-made forms like for request registration. You can see all feedback, then contact us forms. Some there's like pre-made templates. So either you can add this or you can create your own. Job application form, subscribe, order, then the submit buttons, pop-ups. So I also show you the pop-ups in forms, and then tabs, form, celebrate, text, and stuff like that. I'll also show you pop-ups, which we have covered previously in one of our videos. So Say I want this. Attached to container, let's say. So this is parking available. That- So now whenever someone triggers this or something of that sort, then the image pop-up will be shown. So continue. I'll show you now how to add a blog. Blog and resources. So you also have an option here to generate with AI. So you can use that as well. Now I can add any page I want, any format I want. Let's say I want to start a blog articles page. So I'll add Wix blog. It is very simple. It will prepare my blog. And then whenever I want to post something, I just have to edit it and post it. It is as simple as just searching it up, going to the pages section, clicking the blogs and resources button, and then choosing a template and adding it and editing it as per our own needs. So this is the blog post. I can add posts, blog pages, manage blog, customize post page, marketing, then AI bulk blog, base for fixed pricing plans and everything. So great post. That is how it works. Blog articles, browse topics, category name, all posts. So basically, this is a category. Let's say this is education, cooking, pottery, different categories, and then all the posts relating to that category. So it is very easy. And then most read this week, top blog post, everything of that sort. And moving on, I was able to show you how to add a social media to this. Social media. So you can see either you can add your own Instagram feed as well, or you can just click for the social bar and then social video pairs that we have been seeing previously when we go to the video and media. And that is it how you can play audios and everything of that sort. So if I want to add it, I'll just if I don't want to add the Instagram feed in entirety, I can just go and add the social bar here. I would rather put it on the footer, but you can put it anywhere. So for editing it, I can just go and let's go to the Facebook one, edit. Then I will just change the link, and then my socials will be linked to the buttons. It works as a button only. It's just that it has a whole social bar. So your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, X, LinkedIn, TikTok, everything is included. You want to edit, if you want to remove something, you can do that as well. Let's say in India, TikTok doesn't work. So I'll delete that. So it gets deleted and I can see it again. Now, basically, our website part are done. We have learned how elements work and how I'm supposed to use them, how to edit them. Every element is editable. How to add pages, how to add blogs, how to add projects, a page, how to service page, and how to edit them as well. Now, the last part is for testing and debugging. So now, firstly, we have to make sure that we get a domain. For that, we will go to GoDaddy. It is one of the most trusted AI domain platforms. I'll, this is the GoDaddy website. And for hosting, Finger is also available, and many apps are available. But GoDaddy is my go-to, so that is why I'm showing you that. Let's say our site's name was, I think, Velux. So if I want the Welex.com, that will cost me, it is a premium to pay. That is why it cost me 6,55,000, and that is for my lifetime. Otherwise, Welex.com, Welex.net, it is 1 rupee for first year. Then org.ai.in is 99 for the first year. Dot co, dot world, dot xyz, dot shop, dot design, dot co, dot in, dot co, dot in, different prices, and that is what suits your price range and represents your country the most. And then when we have done this, we will purchase it. Let's say we want to add the Venex, it is taken, so we can do purchase that. Otherwise, for that matter, Flex, so yes, this also is again taken, so we have to check what is taken and not. Net isn't available, a lot of them are not available. Let's say I want to buy this premium one because the rest are taken. Otherwise, I can search them. Search on the brand name because they seem to have been taken. Total example. Yeah. So many of the remotes are taken, and you have to search what are available and what not. It takes a lot of time, but again, you can see. Otherwise, you can buy a domain as well from Wix as well. So I'll show you how to do that. So here, when we go to the connect domain part, if you buy it from there, then also you have to go to the connect domain button only. So total bazaar is available, total store is available, total .net, total store.info. So if we buy 1 year plan, then 1 year domain will be free with that. So we can just go for, let's say I went to totalstore.net, get it. So if I want to buy domain, let's get this. Just domain only for now. I'll show you how that works. Eventually, I also have to get the VIX plan as well. So for 3 years, it is 4,325 rupees, and I have to go continue and make the payment. And for regardless the other part, let's say I want the Happy Turtle online is available. Let's say I want to get that, get it, and then we go for this option now. Because you eventually have to buy it. So for the business plan, business elite, core, light, you can get 10 collaborators, 100 GP store space, standard marketing suite, accept payments, standard e-commerce, and then it goes on and on. So there's different plans. It says like this one. Then for 2 years, I want to go. Then the card and payment, and then it will all automatically connect to your website. Right now, the website domain is this one. The side one. Don't think so that is visible. But if I publish this website from my this above Chrome extension will be my domain, which is not visible right now. Otherwise, Command C, and then maybe I'll paste it here. This will be my domain name. If I publish this, that is how it works. And that sums up. We learned how to make a website, and Wix is a totally editable platform supported with AI, so it should be very easy. It is very, very good for businesses who want to track everything. Everyone wants to keep a track record of everything, keep everything organized, managed. And then we also learned how to buy a domain and how to correct it. And there's some videos available as well if you buy a domain from a separate website, but it is more likely suggested to buy a domain from Wix itself, because you eventually have to buy a plan if you want to do the e-commerce part specifically, and for other people to find a website. So that is how it works, and I hope this 4 week long session was uh, interesting and you guys liked it. And that is it for my side. And I hope by this end of this workshop, we have learned how to make a website and how to develop and maintain it as well. Thank you so much.